Hey team, just wanted to touch base with you guys as we're getting started here, and have you guys go on to the Blackboard site and start getting comfortable with the modalities that I've set up. So obviously, I'm just going to assume some of you have been on this platform before. Perhaps some of you have never seen it, but you should have access to it if you've been registered. So I just want you to set yourself up for the first week and beyond to get onto the platform and start messing around there. So the first thing I want you to look at is just all the sort of the tech support that's there for you, that you can access. I'm going to turn off this air conditioner. 1 second. We're doing everything in live. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. The other thing I've posted up here is meet your instructor. A little bit of a bio on me, so you can get to know me a bit. I did send out a welcome video as well, so hopefully you had a chance to look at that. The next module here is an announcements page. I'm about to send that out to everyone. You'll get an email every time I send an announcement, so make sure that your email that you have on there is you're able to access it. I can't change your email, so it's up to you to know which email is on the Blackboard, and definitely check it, and make sure you have access to it. I would link it to your phone if possible, obviously. So this should be going out later today. It is Friday, August 21st, about 5 o'clock, so you should be getting that soon. You have to log on to Blackboard to watch the video. You won't be able to click on it on the email. I've sent a welcome letter as well, just to kind of give you a sense of what's going on, etc. The next section here is called Course Information. Here is where you will find the syllabus, kind of give us a sense of the grading, etc. We'll talk more about it on Tuesday, September 1st when we meet. But on Tuesday at 9:25, we're only going to be meeting on Tuesdays. Here is the Zoom link, and my virtual office hours are on Tuesday from 3:30 to 4:30. It's a separate Zoom link, and that's on there. So look through the syllabus, get comfortable with it. You have to open up a Turnitin account, so you're able to do that there, and look through the assessments of how I'm going to be grading you this semester. So what I've done here, since we're going to be just meeting once a week for an hour, sometimes less, is that I've divided the semester into 14 weeks. In the welcome video, I explained the thinking behind all of that, and I'm still populating, the weeks. I'm still working on the weeks moving forward, but you'll see that September 1st has been set up already. Anything in blue is an action item, so you need to go on there and look at it, and it'll take you to anything that you need to. It'll work you through that week's workflow. Okay, so basically the only writing you have to do the first week after you set up your Turnitin account is this pre-semester reading and assessment. If you click on here, it'll give you all of the instructions. Here is the prompt. The reading is found right there, and also down here. So if you work through all of that, you'll get a sense of of how each week is going to work. Like I said, the only thing that's up right now is week 1, as I'm still working on populating the folders for the rest of the weeks throughout the semester here. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to just throw out there today. The other item for week 1 is an introduction. Oops, I haven't set it up yet, but you'll see a link that'll send you over to the discussion board, and there will be an introduction you know, instead of the you know, the uncomfortable you know, stand up and introduce yourself to the class, it's going to be a lot easier where you can just go on here, introduce yourself, and take it from there. Right. So you're going to create a thread here and write your name on the subject line. Right. And then just give us a little bit of sense of who you are, just that's how we'll do the introductions, and I can start making sure that you're starting to jump on the online module, you're feeling comfortable with it, just starting some good practices right off from jump. All right, guys. So just as a reminder, the first time we're going to meet is going to be on Tuesday, September 1st. Like I said, if you go on to the syllabus, write it down in your calendars. The Zoom link is right here. And I mentioned that we're meeting only on Tuesdays virtually, 9:25 to 10:40. I doubt we're going to be there that whole time. So just set yourself up for that, and then so we can be ready to roll on that date. All right, guys. That's it. Great day, and good luck with your first week. Bye-bye.